Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix failed to uncrop image problem in Pixelcut AI on your iPhone. This error is common and easy to solve. Let's get started. Pixelcut needs a strong internet connection for the uncrop tool because it uses AI online. Make sure you are connected with a stable Wi-Fi or strong mobile data. If the connection is weak, the uncrop process may fail. A quick restart can fix the issue. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone, remove Pixelcut from the recent app and open it again. Try uncropping your image one more time. Sometimes the app needs an update. So for that, go to App Store, search Pixelcut and tap update if available. Old version may crash or fail during uncrop. Pixelcut may fail to uncrop if the image is too blurry, too small, cropped too tightly. Try using a clear or larger photo. Give Pixelcut more space to work with for better AI results. If your iPhone storage is full, Pixelcut can stop working and check if the app size is too big. If needed, delete and reinstall the app. When you uncrop, drag the frame but don't make it too large at once. Start with a smaller expansion area. Larger requests sometimes fail. If nothing works, delete Pixelcut and reinstall it from App Store. This resets the app and fixes most of hidden errors. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.